was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment.
Hello everyone! You probably can't tell, but this is Ava at Glow with Ava. And this is Susie.
Hi guys, I'm Susie.
She's a makeup artist based in New York City, and we just did a really cool transformation look. Bella Hadid. You can't tell from the hairstyle and everything, so this was a lot of work.
It was.
Behind the scenes.
It was a lot of work.
So fun. So just keep watching to see how we created this transformation look. And before you keep watching, if you want to know more about skincare, makeup, lifestyle, and all that, please subscribe to my channel at Glow with Ava. And also follow Susie on Instagram as well as YouTube. Get Real Susie, right? All right, well, let's keep watching now. So who are we becoming?
We are becoming Bella Hadid today.
From this to Bella Hadid.
It's possible.
It's possible, we'll see. So we're gonna do our hair first.
Yep.
Okay. Just with the hair. So now we're gonna do some shading. This little thing has to be fixed.
Hair done.
Hair is done. Woo! Wow, I look so different. Oh, did you like the lighter than the man's nail too? Bronze, so we're using the Deep Bronzy with the Beauty Blender, wet it a little bit, and I'm gonna tan my skin up a little.
Yep.
Using the Dior Face and Body.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekends.
Wow, now.
Movie, but you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like you loved me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like you love me. I'd have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? 'Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh, but instead you were moody.
Okay, the transformation is coming along. Am I looking like Bella yet? We still have some ways to go, but the eyes, we did some very defined brows.
Very natural smoky.
Natural smoky.
Yeah. Doesn't look so natural on an Asian person, but
Yeah.
that's what
For her
Bella
it
did.
is.
But I have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, okay,
Ooh, it's popping.
okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, okay, okay.
Now we're doing blush.
We'll be using these two colors right here.
Okay. Oh, this palette is so pretty.
Times I start to wonder if I should change my mind. But when
This has some like pearly sheen in it too.
I feel the same every time.
This is a tinted balm too,
Okay.
so it gives it a natural pink.
This is her own lip palette.
So right here, this is the Clinique Berry.
Little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay.
It looks pretty dark, but it's not
Yeah, it looks
once you put it on.
exactly.
It's just this pretty berry color.
Now we have to make our lips look like this.
It is very
Oh my god.
Okay, okay, okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me.
Okay, so now this is a very important step. We are gonna go in with eyelashes. So these are the ones from Velour. They sent me over these ones, so we're gonna go in with one of them. I have like a fear of putting on eyelash extensions.
It will be
Okay, okay, and that's okay with me.
It'd be cool to do, but can we cut the edges?
Yeah.
Okay, so these lashes were a little too much, and we realized that Bella doesn't have long lashes, and it just made the look really unnatural. So we took them off, and now we're just gonna go in with mascara. Okay, so the mascara is done, and this is pretty much the finished look. And now, as a last touch, we're gonna go in with some contact lenses. So we do have these color contact lenses from Hapa Kristen, and we have the gray and the green. Could go either way, but we're gonna try out the green first because I think that she's really nice. Let's try. Can you see a difference?
yes.
Yeah?
This is it.
Okay. This is one side in. Let's do the other side. Should be.
Hi Bella.
Wow, the green. Hello everyone. Bella Lee here. And Susie, my makeup artist, who just helped me create this entire transformation look.
Wow.
It's so amazing. All right, so can you just summarize for me like the main things we did to change it up?
Contour the heck out of your face, and we did a smoky eye. Bella's very natural in her picture, so I tried to keep it as clean as possible but accentuate the areas that we needed to. So it's a lot of highlighting and contouring, very natural smoky eye,
Long brows.
very long brows, very, very long brows.
Yeah,
It
we had to
almost
draw in a
touches
lot.
the temple.
Yeah, I know.
And very natural lips. She has very luscious lips, so
Yeah.
I tried to kind of
Plump it up a little.
yeah, plump it up a bit with some lip liner. Yeah, and this is the final look.
This is it. I can go out with this and confuse people now. Do I look half Asian?
You look like a pop star.
Hi, hello. Well, thank you so much, Susie.
Of course.
Well, we look forward to our next video now, so stay tuned. And also, she just started a YouTube channel last week, so please subscribe to get more makeup updates, makeup routine, makeup tips, and all of that, because she's an expert at that.
Thank you.
Yeah, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to follow more skincare and fun videos like this as well. All right, guys, thank you so much.